All right, guys, 2005 Crown Vic Police Interceptor P71, I think they call them. What we got done on this thing? 4 converters. I don't know why they put 4 converters, but they do. One here, one here, one here, one here. Then factory H pipe right there. So he watched our videos online. He said, this is the sound I want. So he brought it in and we hooked them up. Flowmaster Flow FX is right there and right there. Part number 71415. There'll be a link in the description for it right there for these beautiful beasts. Then factory tailpipes out the back there. And right there, clears everything, nice, clean, like nothing happened. There you go. And it was an Alabama fire prevention vehicle, as you guys can see. So it's seen many, many fires probably. Nobody knows. Anyways, if I can only speak, imagine the stories it would tell. Anyways, and there's the factory 2 mufflers that we cut off right there. So there they are. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and subscribe. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Nice and deep. Go easy on her. Go easy on her. Grab it. Your sound decibels. Right at the 98.5. So right at 100 basically. Gotta back it out. They're made to be driven. That's how I look at it. That's clean. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Let's see. That's the po-po. Here we go, here we go. Get him! Sick him! Oh, God. Where's he going? No! Where are you going? Did it? No? Uh-oh. What? Where's he going? No, he's coming back. Yeah, he's coming. What happened?
He blew a fuse. He said it's shorted.
Oh, electrical. Because they cut all the lights off.
Yep.
Go! Forget the traffic. Make it stop. No, I'm kidding, man. See ya. Enjoy, guys. Clean.